Have you ever felt that experiences in your past, what happened to you in the past, is affecting your mind today and maybe making you feel a bit more fearful, sad, depressed, or lonely? Or even interfering with the way you want to live your life? Do you know that there are special exercises that we can do to release the past and help you heal from these negative feelings and negative experiences and give you back the courage, enthusiasm, and just the confidence really to be yourself again and manifest better relationships, more success in your life? Do you also know that the foods you eat affect your mind? Inflammation in your body, as well as imbalance of hormones and brain chemicals, will make you feel angry, sad, depressed, or anxious a lot of the time. And you can actually heal these imbalanced brain chemicals by using holistic medicine. So I've created a course for you to make these steps much easier. The course I've developed simplifies it enough so that you can follow step-by-step instructions on how to heal your heart, develop more positive thoughts, and also use the right herbs and supplements to heal your digestive system, adrenal glands, and detoxify your liver. This combined approach will leave you feeling enthusiastic, energized, powerful, and sure about yourself. And with all these feelings inside of you, it's much easier to manifest the things that you want in your life. I've seen thousands of people benefit from this combined approach of using naturopathic medicine and energy psychology because they treat their body holistically and resolve past experiences that were keeping them stuck in a negative mindset. This course is easy to follow because I give you videos on how to heal your past and resolve difficult emotions, and I give you step-by-step instructions on how to use herbs and nutritional supplements to heal your body holistically. Join me on my course. I promise you it's going to be worth it. Thank you.